Next up is the visualizer. This should be a quick one. I'm just going to do that soon I did before and show that visualize all gets called here and where it stands in the call stack, and then I'll close and see the destructor. Here's just a flyby of it. Sorry about the macro. This is the only time that I've actually used a macro, but I know since this was like kind of a debugging sort of thing, I figured it might be acceptable. I'm just using it so I can comment out this macro and turn the visualizer off without having to do a bunch of fuss. So that's the class, and let's show you the CPP. Just has these two graphics objects here. There we go. So goes to the scene, and then visualize all is called from scenes draw right here, and does this, and then scene goes, does some stuff, and then closes out here, and it's gone in the terminate and emptied out all of these commands. That's with the visualizer. Let's show it doesn't crash.